Hi, baby. Are you flopping all over the place? Hey. Should we show everyone how you... Oh, are you going to flip over for us? Oh, there you go. Well, not quite all the way. Hello. Your leg's stuck? Oh, yeah? Good job, baby. What are you doing? Oh, uh-huh. Hey. Nope, our battery's dying. Okay. Soren. Soren. Hello. Hey. Trying to pick up some momentum. And yet this is a trick you've been able to do for more than half of your life. I know. I know. There you go. No, I thought the battery was a goner, but it's just going to keep going. Hi. Hello.